Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can set a priority level for your events and tasks on Evernote. So let us dive into this. Head over to your tasks or events on Evernote. Let me go with an event on our calendar here, and you will see your events and tasks listed here. So simply click into the given task or event and you will see that separate field here, priority. And you can use these three levels: low, medium, or high. Choose one of them, click into save, and that's it. Now your task has been marked as priority high. And if I head over to the tasks overview, you will see, for example, the given task has been labeled as such. So if I switch to medium, these exclamation marks will disappear. One will disappear and two will remain. So that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.